So in today's video, I'm going to go through everything I need to do to my 6N Polo. But first, let's dry it. All dry. Good old poly. So as we already established, the bonnet needs doing, and also the wing and the bumper, they need painting. So my idea is, if you guys want to pick, I either spray it myself, get it wrapped, or try and wrap myself, which would also be bumper and grille as well. Or something else, maybe we go a different color, but if I do wrap it, it will be red again. But yeah, I'd have to do the whole car so that it actually perfectly matches. Another thing is getting different wheels. That would be a good step. I already know what color I want as well, which is good. Also changing these. Change them or get rid of them. I either let you guys decide, or I'll decide that myself. I do have a cool idea for the front badge as well. I'll either let you guys know in a future video, or if you show much interest anyway, I'll let you know. But if not, I will leave that as a surprise. Change the plates as well. I want to get press plates. Change the steering wheel. I need to buy a steering wheel. Unfortunately, I don't have the money for one yet, but I do have the Boss and also quick release kit for it. So that as well. Need to sort out the wiper delete. Unfortunately, they haven't had stock for months of the place I want to buy one from. So I unfortunately have this terrible looking, hopefully when it focuses, this terrible thing just sticking out. Sort out the dent in the rear bumper, but I do want 16 valve bumpers, so that might not be relevant anyway. That's it on the outside of the car. I do also want to give a good refresh to the engine bay because it is filthy. And just give it a nice fresher look, maybe even paint the cover a different color as well, just to give it a little bit of more. But yeah, just give it a general clean and a nice tidy up basically. Right, let's get the car on a ramp. Hey, where'd you go? Right, you have the time for me to turn around and back again for you to be on that bloody ramp. Good boy. Right, let's have a look underneath. Oh, there's a bit of a shine coming through there. It looks like there might be an oil leak around possibly the sump, so we need to probably get a new sump and sort that out. It looks very, might be from previous, like oil changes and stuff like that, but we'll give that a go. Looks like the gearbox might be having a slight leak, so we'll do a gearbox oil change as well. If anyone does have a Polo, if you have drive shafts like this, I warn you, they are known for these bolts to slide out because they just slowly undo themselves. So give you a heads up on that, just in case. Most of the time though, because of the actual boot, they keep the bolts in anyway. So you might not lose any, you might just need to do them up. Just giving you a heads up. There's the coilovers that we fitted a couple of weekends ago. Still in good condition. I did have a problem on this side though. So it was scratching away at the tyre, you can see. And it's clumped up. So I had to pull it away, but you can see how close that is. Right there. Oh, it's very, very close. Oh, it's still rubbing actually, but all good for now, and it actually is on the floor. Yeah, exhaust isn't looking too bad to be fair. I don't know if I'll ever change the exhaust. I might do. Give it a little bit of noise, but I don't really want much because I don't really want a loud car again. The Civic was loud enough for me, to be honest. You might think I'm a bit boring, but I have neighbours that I don't want to piss off. But if I'm ever in that situation that I don't, then trust me, I will have a louder car. But yeah, there's the rear coilovers. This side as well. I do want to change the fuel filter as well. I did try and do that a couple of weekends ago, but I got sent the wrong one. Thank you, Euro Car Parts. But yeah, everything else looks fairly tidy to be fair. I'll try and give you a wider angle so you can see. But there isn't really, like, no damage seals. Apart from this one, a little bit crusty, but it's not too bad. Actually looks quite clean to be fair. Maybe the lower arms could be changed over in the future, but they don't look like they're an MOT failure at the moment. So, which is next month, the MOT. So this one's quite close as well. It's actually eating away at the tyre on this side as well. I'll have to try and sort something out with that. Maybe get like 5mm spacers on the fronts, something just to pull it away, which isn't good actually. But yeah, that's the underneath. So yeah, that's practically what I need to get done on the 6N. Unfortunately, I'm not a very well-off creator, so it may take me a lot longer to be able to do these sort of things. So I'll give you videos of cars that I will work on in my day-to-day work, and try and see if I can give you hints, tips, tricks, and blah blah blah. Or like my last video was how to reset service lights on Peugeots. I did miss out some, but that is a majority of how you do them. Other ones like 108s do not have service lights, so you don't have to worry about them. So, and 107s. So yeah, that's it basically. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know, and also let me know if you want to see me spray the bonnet, wrap the bonnet, or get someone else to do it professionally. I also want to tint the windows as well. I forgot that. I want to do that as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Peace.